In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Canva creation to Hootsuite. This process is helpful when you already have a design in Canva and you want to publish it from your Hootsuite workflow. You can use it for social media posts, and it helps you keep everything organized in one place. First, open Hootsuite. When the dashboard loads, look for the area where you create a new item or a new post. Next, click Create. This is where Hootsuite gathers your options for composing, scheduling, or attaching media. If you see a blank composer or a creation screen, that is exactly what you want, because it means you are ready to add content. Now you will connect Canva design directly into the Hootsuite publishing flow. In the Creation menu, click Media, and then choose Design with Canva. You may see a media selection panel or an option list, so take a moment to make sure you are selecting the Canva design route rather than a different media type. This step matters because it tells Hootsuite to pull in a Canva asset instead of you uploading something manually. After you select Design with Canva, you should be prompted to pick a design. The screen should show your Canva content or a selection list of available designs. Select your design by clicking on the one you want to use. If you have many designs, look for the correct format and size. For example, social posts often have different dimensions, so choosing the right one helps the final output display properly. Once you have selected the design, review it before you publish. At this point, the design should appear within the Hootsuite creation area. Check that it looks correct and that the preview matches what you prepared in Canva. This quick check is important because it prevents mistakes like using an outdated version of a design. Now you are ready to post. If you want the content to go out right away, click Post Now. Hootsuite will submit the post based on the accounts and settings you have selected. Make sure you are posting to the correct destination, especially if you manage multiple social channels. This ensures your design lands in the right place. If you do not want to publish immediately, you can schedule it instead. To do that, click Schedule rather than Post Now. Scheduling lets you choose the date and time for publication, which is useful if you are planning a campaign or you want the post to align with a specific timing. When you choose Schedule, confirm the schedule options that appear so the post goes out when you intend. After you confirm your choice, keep an eye out for any final confirmation messages. Hootsuite typically gives you a clear indication that the post is ready, scheduled, or queued for sending. If there is an option to review captions, hashtags, or other post details, make any necessary adjustments now while you still have the chance. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to import your Canva creation into Hootsuite and publish it either immediately or on a schedule.